Dear students, I hope you all are well and studying in your home and enjoying your online classes. So, in the earlier classes, we completed the topic types of presentation, and I hope you will be understand. And if you have any confusion still left, you can ask me. Today we will going to new topic inflorescence. As you've seen, inflorescence it means arrangement of flower on floral stem. Inflorescence means arrangement of flower. It means how the flowers will be arranged in a particular floral stem. Okay, so the flowers are born either singly or in clusters on a floral stem. Flower can be, you can see many types of flower which evolve singly or born singly on any stem, and sometimes they are in clusters. The flowers that are born singly are called solitary. So the flowers that are born singly are called solitary. A branch or branch system bearing cluster of flower in a particular arrangement is called inflorescence. Mainly, the branch or cluster system in which many flowers are arranged in a particular arrangement is called inflorescence. The stalk which bears the flower is called peduncle or rachis. The stalk which bears the flower is called peduncle. When we saw the diagram, it will be easier. Okay. The grouping of flowers make them more conspicuous to attract insects and other animals for pollination. Okay, the cluster form flower always attracts many insects and it increases the chances of pollination also. Depending upon the mode of branching of peduncle, the inflorescence is categorized into 4 types. First are racemose, second cymose, panicle, spikelet and spike. Figure also given, you can see in the figure also. This is the first type. It is a racemose type of inflorescence. Okay, and second is cymose. You can see in racemose type, when you go in higher classes, you will study in detail. There is an alternate fashion of stems. You can see the flower has been originated in different alternate positions, and it will ultimately goes to a single line in last. Okay, in cymose it will be divided into further in other bifold leaves. You can see here bifold, okay, flowers. And in panicle you can see here it's also a type of inflorescence in which much branched structure. Okay, it has many branches in them, and it also follow the same racemose type of inflorescence. And in spikelet, what you have seen, you can see when you see the picture, and it very easy to understand which type of inflorescence is there. Mainly this type of inflorescence is found in grasses, and you can see in spike and spikelet they are types of 2 inflorescence within one, as you seen in wheat and grasses also, examples of these inflorescences. For as your classes it's not given very much broadly, so you have to know few things. That is, one, inflorescence can be determinate or indeterminate. In determinate inflorescence, the number of flower does not increase after the opening of first flower. It means when first flower is completely open, no new flower will be come on that plants. Okay, and in indeterminate inflorescence, the number of flower can increase after the opening of some flowers. So this is the difference between determinate and indeterminate inflorescence. Okay, determinate you can say simply it means a willingness. Okay, whenever determinate terms is come, it means fixed number. So there are some important diagram also given for your practice. That is, you can see it is a diagram of entire flower in which carpel, stamen, petal and sepal are broadly elaborated, and you can see here, you can make diagrams of them and sectional view of a flower. You can see here the all flower parts are found. Okay, and this is a single stamen and gynoecium, and some diagrams of it is a VS section of petunia flower. Okay, it is like that. When you see in a flower, how can you identify stigma, petals, stamen, style? Whenever in your home outside many flowers you can see, and you can understand to their inflorescence, and like this you can see their accessory or essential organs also, like that. A typical stamen, we can earlier also we have already read about this. And generalized arrangement of parts in flower, whatever shown you till class 6th or 7th, you can see this type of diagram you particularly seen it, which are generalized arrangement of parts in flower. And this is the VS flower, hibiscus rosa sinensis. Good health. So whenever you end any chapter, you have to key points to remember also. So read them and go thoroughly whenever you have any confusion in any particular term, because now you have to start the question answer also. So you have to go deeply. Okay, whenever you cannot understand any term or you find any difficulty, you can call to me. Okay, because these key terms are very much important for your future learning also. So in this week, as much as question you can do, because whole chapter is completed now. So send me on Sunday whatever number of question you have completed, and if you have any confusion in any question, you can ask me. So meet you in next classes. Thank you.